Have you ever thought about growing your own salad greens? Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, crisp leaves right from your backyard. Not only can it save you money, but it's also a delightful way to engage with nature. Well, it's easier than you might think. First, choose the right greens for your garden. A myriad of salad greens can flourish in your backyard, from the crunch of lettuce to the earthy tones of spinach, the rich bitterness of kale, and the peppery kick of arugula. Each offers a unique flavor profile and nutritional boost. Your choice should be guided by your climate and personal taste preferences. Some greens prefer cooler climates, while others thrive in the heat. Remember, diversity is the key to a flavorful salad. Now let's dive into the process of growing salad greens. It all begins with planting your seeds. Spring is the ideal time, just after the last frost. As for the care, ensure each plant receives plenty of sunlight at least 6 hours a day. Watering is crucial too. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. And let's not forget about the soil. It should be rich, well-draining, and supplemented with compost or organic matter for best results. As for the harvest, most greens are ready within 4 to 6 weeks of planting. Just remember to pick leaves from the outside, allowing the center leaves to continue growing. With patience and care, you'll soon have a bounty of fresh greens. Growing your own salad greens is a rewarding and delicious endeavor. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, crisp leaves right from your backyard. Each bite is a testament to your hard work and patience. And remember, gardening is a shared joy. So let's cultivate this community of green thumbs together, learning from each other's experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.